Hi everybody! A lot of you asked me, how can I get in all my water in a course of a day? Well, here's what I do. I always drink 8 glasses of water every single day. And right away in the morning, before I even have my coffee, I start with a little bit of warm water and I add a little bit of lemon in it. That way it starts me off for the whole day. Then I also add different elements of herbs. I love basil and mint in my water. Or some days I have a lime, some days a splash of an orange. My favorite is cucumber. Oh, it's so refreshing. So try to get in your 8 glasses of water every single day. And also, all this adds a little bit more vitamins and minerals our body needs to feel good, to have energy for our hair and our skin. That's the reason why you want to drink more water. Stay hydrated. And remember, if any of you like to find out more about my Stop the Clock Nutrition Guide, log on to deniseaustin.com. You will love it.